week right now. Perhaps the best direct measure is international capital flows going towards emerging markets. We get that data from the Institute for International Finance. There was a huge outflow of capital from emerging markets back in March and April. Of course, that was when the depth of the impact of the coronavirus had really become evident. Since then, there hasn't really been much change. There's been no turnaround, no improvement. But it's almost as if investors are just on hold, just waiting to see where the economy goes, whether there's a second wave of the virus globally, and how well individual countries were able to contain the virus. I guess another measure is just the value of the currency as well. You know, the Indonesian rupiah went below 16,000 back in March, April. Of course, it recovered very, very quickly. Now it's edging down to, begin to approach about 15,000 to the dollar now. So that indicates some weakness in terms of sentiment as well.
When we talk about the investors' cautiousness and the way they are holding back and prefer to be really, really careful, how far has it been reflected through its capital outflow from Indonesia, according to your view?
Oh, I think it's fairly clear that investors are really quite hesitant. I think one of the things that Indonesia has to get under control is simply the spread of the coronavirus. Indonesia is really the one country in Southeast Asia in which the number of new cases continues to rise. So that is a clear signal of uncertainty in terms of the efficacy of public policy in Indonesia. I must say it is broad across the globe, though. We do a survey of our clients once a week in terms of their business confidence, and particularly we ask a question about whether they have investment plans in the near term, and investment plans generally, not so much foreign investment. But really, fewer than 20% of our respondents of our survey are saying that they're making any plans for investment right now. So I think it's very, very broad-based, this just uncertainty to wait and see. And in fact, it really may take the successful development of a virus sometime next year for investors to really feel more confident around the globe of where they want to invest and how much.